Lower at 5 meters.
Roger, moving to the stack.
Keep it steady, mind the cables.
Okay, easy now. Bring her to a full stop. Roger that.
Position confirmed at waypoint 4, hydraulic stabilizing.
Stop right there, hold it! Perfect alignment, we are good to go. Alignment looks good. Okay, torquing the connection now. We hit it! Look at the pressure! That is incredible. Watch the alignment on this side. Roger that, coming down slowly. Okay, bring it down. Watch the bolt holes. We need to shift it slightly west. All right, slowly, slowly. It's hot out here. Let's work quickly and carefully.
Agreed. According to the plan, they run parallel to the irrigation line.
Okay, easy now, slide it in. Watch the alignment on your side. Looks good. Get the clamps ready.
I hear you been asking about me, where I've been and where I sleep. It's hard to find me if you really want to. Turns past that takes a cool sign. Same bobcat, same old boots, trying to outrun the thought of you. But it was down and true, don't stop. You can't leave in a town this small. You can change your mind, but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving.
Crane, lower 20 feet.
You can change my name.
Roger that, coming down slowly.
You can't leave in
Watch the
town
alignment on the
this
joint.
small.
Torque is set on all bolts.
But
Check
not
the
too
gauge.
far, just down the road from
Holding
who
steady
we
at 50
are.
PSI,
You
we're
can
good to go.
change your hair, change your street, but you cannot run the memories. Nah, I ain't mad, I just laugh sometimes.
Check the pressure on the
Can
plane.
fade, but this town stays
like we had a slight
mine.
drop
They say
here.
small towns just don't forget. I guess you're right about that. You can change your mind, but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving fast. You can change my name in your phone. You can't leave in a town this small. Every red light still knows your car. Every porch light still breaks my heart. You can back it
Okay, stop right there. We'll start unloading from the front pallets.
Got it. Looks like a good crop.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Never the same. Never calling my name, I'm taking my sweet time. Whatever the plan, I know I'm holding the best of me out of my hand. I know you always understand. Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
The panicles are strong.
Kiertig twin stem kont. Yes, the irrigation is working perfectly.
I hear you been asking about me, where I've been and where I sleep. It's hard to find me if you really want to. Turns past that tactical sign. Same ball cap, same worn boots. Trying to outrun the thought of you. But in this town, the truth don't stop. You can't live in a town this small. You can change your mind, but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't leave in a town this small. I moved on, but not too far. Just down the road from who we are. You can change your hair, change your street, but you cannot run the memories. Nah, I ain't mad, I just laugh sometimes.